Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. So starting from a weekly time frame, based on a weekly time frame, the levels hasn't been changed. As you see, we had a weekly close last night. However, the levels are 22,300 and 22,000 levels are going to be the important support levels. However, the resistance levels that we're following the exactly same support and resistance in the last few months, and the resistance in the first place, 32,000 followed by $34,000. And if we're going to analyze the weekly time frame, exit level number one based on a daily time frame, exit level number two, and then the third one with a daily fake out. And we saw a massive dump in the market. First leg down, a bit of consolidation. We had a second leg down, and we saw from 60,000 over 70%, from 52, which was a single resistance, $48,000. We saw over 60% dump in the market. However, $19,200 and $500 were trend change based on a daily time frame, and we saw massive for your spot bags over 50% pump in the market. And the daily time frame at the moment is still under the bull's control. However, as I mentioned, that 17,000 and 17,500 is not a bottom. We have got important levels. That's on my pinned tweet as well. Important levels. So 4 or 5 months of consolidation, and we saw the next leg down. And as I said, the first video of this year, beginning of January, that was the first video. As long as we're going to be staying above 17,500 and 800, we will go further up. So as you can see, that's another way of looking at the market on the macro structure. We saw another 60 plus pump in the market. However, if you're a trend follower, as I said, $19,200 and $500 were extremely important based on a daily time frame for a trend change. Moving on to a daily time frame. Before we look at the daily time frame, I would like to share this setup that I shared with you all during the weekend. First leg up and then second leg down. And this setup was based on a Renko chart. So if I'm going to explain lower time frame, local Fibonacci level, and then mid-higher time frame Fibonacci levels, we had literally 3 Fibonacci levels plus MTF, the resistance and support levels. So first leg up, rejection from the 0.618, the golden pocket, and then the second leg down. We reached to exactly target levels, and also I was expecting that the price action to come and to test one of the 0.618 or 0.67, the golden pockets. So as you can see in a public that I shared, the price was at around below 28,400 level, and I was expecting a little bit of pullback, and then we went further up, continued with a sell-off. So as you can see, that was a 2-hour trade followed by 3-hour trade. So that was a perfect public trade. And then as you can see, we held 0.618. So we saw another massive pump in the market. The rest is history. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the BTC on the daily time frame. This was the level, the bottom, as I said. As long as we're going to be staying above this level, highly likely that we're going to see a trend change that I explained earlier on. So at the moment, that based on a daily time frame, as long as this is a must break zone based on a daily time frame, claim it as a support in order to go further up. The first target level is going to be 30,000, followed by $32,000 on the higher time frame. We're following the same levels in the last few weeks. However, rejection might give us a pullback in the first place that I will keep an eye on, but we're going to do a lower time frame analysis as well, and we're going to sweep these lows, and that will give us at around 26,500, followed by, if we're going to lose this level, and this is an important Fibonacci levels that, as you can see, 25,500 and $26,000 are going to be the second target level, with a one condition: losing this level, first target level, and followed by second target. However, bear in your mind that based on a daily time frame, this is going to be extremely important level. If we're going to lose this level, it will create a panic in the market. However, we're still safe as long as we're going to be above 25,000 and 26,500. Then we can, even if we're going to dump, then the next target levels are exactly the same, 30,000, followed by all the way up to $32,000. If you're enjoying from the contents, take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. Moving on with the ETH analysis, we had first pump 26%, second the dump followed by over 10%, and then another dump followed by 15% profits in the market. All of these setups shared in public via YouTube and the Twitter. So the last trade that I shared, as soon as we got rejection right from there, entry level provided, as long as we stay above 0.618, the golden pocket, and this trend line, and as you can see, we pumped all the way up to this level that provided over 14% pump in the market. Target 1 already cleared, and we were expecting target number 2, but Ethereum was a bit lagging and having a problem. So the current condition of Ethereum, based on a higher time frame, is heavily under the bull's control. Based on a 4-hour time frame, as long as we're going to be above this level, we might have a chance to go further up and claim the target number 2. However, at the moment, as I said, the lower time frames are a bit struggling, BTC as well as the Ethereum. Losing this level will give us a chance to come to the daily. These levels are very important, and that daily confluence, as you can see, with the Fibonacci golden pocket, 1673 and 1675 are going to be the target levels. However, claiming above this level, as I said in the last video, 1835, 1840, that will give us a continuation of the trend. Target number 1 is going to be 1912, and followed by all the way up to $2,000 is going to be the target number 2. So these are the levels. At the moment, Ethereum is at no man's land, so you have got levels and play level to level. Moving on with the BTC analysis based on a 4-hour time frame. If you're enjoying from the contents, take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. This is going to be extremely important, as I said, to claim above based on a daily time frame. Then we've got 30,000 followed by $32,000 are going to be the target number 2. However, losing this level and closing below 27,750 is going to give us target number 1, followed by target number 2 is going to be $25,500 are going to be the target number 2. These are the levels, play level to level. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.